This is Bob Chambers, the Multimedia Guy, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to use to create the player for the PlayIt software. And so the first things this is the page that you create the player. Here we have a logo. We can change this logo by just going down and clicking right here. And let's just put a banner, and the banner size is 468 by 60, so you can see it right there. And we just click open, and you can see I put this banner right there. I can put a URL that when people click on that banner, they're going to be going there. So it's http:// the multimediaguy.com. We can change this banner also. You'll see that that is 300 by 60 pixels. And so we just go down here to click there, and we'll use this banner here, which is the one that I've created that is that size. So you can see it fits in there nicely. And I will put a different URL. I'll put in http:// multimedia profits revealed.com. Okay, so when someone would click on that, they would go there. We can change this logo. So let's just go to the logo. Logo is 71 by 60. And let's just put this picture here and open it there. And you can see there's the picture. Now down in here, we can put in our name. So it's going to call it the test play it video. And I can change the size font or the type of font by clicking here. You can see I have a lot of choices. So let's just make it a dark blue. I'll leave the rest of it. I'll make it bold. So I click there, and you can see that while it doesn't put your name here, it does show you the color and the size font, how it's going to look. See it in action. Okay, so that gives us the subtitle. Click there, and again we'll make it bold and leave it black, so it's right there. Next step is I can make the version different. I'll just leave it like it is at 1.0, but I could change the font on it. Copyright, you just put in C, parentheses C, and then you could put the year and the name, then put in like creative software, and then all rights reserved. And so there. Now down in here, this is going to be the title or the file name. And so what we'll do is this was icon text test. Okay, so we'll make it that way. And then we could put in a password in here just by typing it in. We could put a branding password. When we get to the branding section, we'll show you how to actually use the branding information in both PlayIt and using it right here, plus using the brander itself. We can put in an exit URL. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in as http:// the multimediaguy.com PlayIt. And so it would on exit, it would then search for that information to see if there's been a change, and if there's a change, then that information would be told to the person who's watching it. Down in here, we could choose the type of engine that you use. Right now, the only one I have is the one that is up there, but you'd be able to select different ones as they become available. And here, you can put in the URL for a ticker tape, and I don't have one available right now, so I'm not going to type that in. But when you make a ticker tape, it gives you the information for the URLs to use in other software, and so that's what you'd put in right here. Up in here, we can put in a background of information for our image. So we click on this folder, and this is the soft art. So let's just we can look at this one. As you can see, this is a motherboard, and click there, and you can see that would be our background image that we could use. And of course we can change that. We could do a slideshow, which we would put in the information. We actually would click right here to use the slideshow, and then the seconds in here. So in other words, that's how long you'd let someone look at a specific page. This is great if you want to show people like a montage of your vacation pictures or something like that. You could say, okay, have it 3 seconds each one, and so that they're going to see each picture 3 seconds, and then it would automatically move on to the next one. You can put if you have audio playback, you can actually match that delay as it goes to the audio itself. You can also have background audio, and what you can do here is you choose the audio right in here, the background audio, and you can locate it either to record here by clicking here. You can see you would have to have already recorded it, but when you do and you click that and it's in the system, then you'd be able to play it right there. This is where you locate the where an audio would be, like you could click right there as a background audio. I'm just going to cancel that, and over here you've got to actually remove it by clicking right here. And then you can also turn off the transition effects. The transition effects are between pages, or when it opens a web page or something like that, it's going to use a transition. So by clicking right here, you could actually take that out. Click here to set global options, and global options look like this. You can draw an outline around the hotspot. You can have the color of red or blue, and you can also enable tooltips for the hotspots here by clicking right there. I'm going to cancel that, and then when you're all ready, you just go down here and click this button to actually generate the player.